So let's take a look for effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge is referred for the strength of the charge in the nucleus the to attract the electron from the valence electron. The more proton in the nucleus will increase their effectiveness to the electron at the outer valence electron. So let's take a look to the uh, periodic table. So across the periods, let's say this one is the atom of sodium. Across the period, the atom possess adding up the proton. They start from 1 to positive 7, let's say. So across the period, it will increase the proton at the nucleus. When the proton at the nucleus will increase, the more electron in the valence electron attract to the nucleus, thus increase the charge, the nuclear charge. By the way, so when the proton is 7, let's say the electrovalent is 7, more electron will attract to the nucleus. By the way, going down the group, they have increasing number of orbital, but at the same time, the electron at the electrovalence still the same, so that it will decrease the effective nuclear charge because the inner electron from the inner electron from the atom will shielding protect to the nucleus to attract at the valence electron. At the same time, in the middle of the layer, there was certain repulsion for the electron from the inner shell and the outer shell. Okay, so the part of nuclear charge is again outer electron is known as an effective nuclear charge.